Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, math tutor. Here we need to find the values of x using quadratic equation, quadratic formula. So the given quadratic equation is x square minus 5x minus 10 equals to 0. And we know that the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So compare the given equation with the general form of quadratic equations and find the values of a, b and c. So here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 5 and c is equals to minus 10. Write down the quadratic formula which we are going to use here. The quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now just substitute the values of x into the formula and find the values of x. So minus of minus 5 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 5 square minus 4a and c value is minus 10 whole divided by 2 times of 1. So minus of minus 5 becomes plus 5, then plus or minus square root of minus 5 square is 25 and 4 times of minus 10, minus 4 times of minus 10 is minus plus 40 divided by 2. So 25 plus 40 can be written as 65, square root of 65. So 5 plus or minus square root 65 by 2. So if you take a square root of 65, we'll get 8.06. So now just split plus or minus. So write down x is equals to 5 plus 8.06 by 2 and x is equals to 5 minus 8.06 divided by 2. So if you simplify this, we'll get 13.06 divided by 2, or x is equals to minus 3.06 by 2. So if we divide by 2, we'll get 6.53, or x is equals to minus 1.53. So the values of x with 2 decimal points, or x is equals to 6.53 or x is equals to minus 1.53. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.